What if somebody had died tonight? Different story, right? Because that's on you. And if you died, I feel like that's on me.
I don't know what's happening. I don't want to go. I don't want to go, sir. Please. Please, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Sir.
Lost kid.
That's not a hug. I'm just grabbing the door for you. We're not there yet.
He was like, it's been 5 years. Come on, they need us. And then he started doing yellow sparkly things he does all the time.